Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. My name is Sapna Sangode, Assistant Professor AISSMS, College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I have a 10 years of experience which includes academic and industry. Today we are going to learn about topic disposable. So let us understand more clearly about disposable objectives. What are the objectives of this topic? At the end of this session, students will able to learn its importance. Major industries are heavily depend on disposables. There will be an improvement in techniques for producing attractive and hygiene products. Students also will come to know how to do the attractive packaging. Disposables are extremely used in all types of catering operation, though the degree of usage is varied. Flight catering, industrial catering, fast food outlet, off premises catering, coffee shop, takeaway counters, and so on. Use more disposable to reduce labor and laundry cost. Initial investment and packages. Wide range of disposable in available in different colors, sizes, quality and prices to suit the needs of catering operators. Introduction. Disposables designed for or are capable of being thrown away after being used or used up. Disposable spoons, disposable fork, etc. There has been a considerable growth in the use of disposable nowadays or throwaway we can call. There has been considerable growth in the use of disposables or throwaways as they are sometimes called, and this is due to a number of factors. Let us understand the first one, the need to reduce the cost. The second one is the difficulty of obtaining labor for washing up. Next is to reduce the high cost of laundering. It can also improve the standards of hygiene. We can minimize the breakage cost, reduction in storage space required. There will be changes in cooking and storage technology. For example, cook, chill and cook or freeze. The needs of transport caterers on trains, boats and planes. The development of fast food and takeaway operation nowadays you can see. Increase the customer acceptability. Although many establishments use disposable to cut costs, they must be attractive, presentable, and acceptable to the client and help to attract the customers. The choice of which disposable to be used may be determined by necessity because of operational needs. For example, outdoor catering, automatic vending, fast food, takeaways. Next is the cost consideration. Traditional forms of service equipment we require or a cost of laundry and the wash up cost. Types of disposable. The main varieties of disposables are generally used as follows. The first one is storage and cooking purpose. Here in this picture we can see like nowadays disposables are also used as a storage and as a cooking purpose. Disposables are also used in service of food and beverage, for example, plates, knife. Normal restaurant linen may be placed by disposable serviette, placemat, tray cloth, tablecloth, and coaster, etc. Today, most forms of disposable can be various in colors, pattern, or have the house style motto or a crest reproduced on them. The vast range of colors available also allows for change in a service area with a different color being used for each meal. Next, disposables are also used as a decor, like napkins, tablecloths, flip cloth, banquet rolls, or placemats. Nowadays, throwaway packs of knives, forks, and spoons are also more convenient and hygienic, where the turnover of customer is very high over very short period of time. Nowadays, disposable masks are also one of the major uniform we can say about due to this pandemic situation. Clothing includes aprons, chef hats, gloves. Disposable can be used as a packaging for marketing and presenting their products. So, like no more plastic on the tag you can have, and then you can keep your company brand on that particular disposable glass or in packet. Environmental issues. When purchasing disposable items, it is important to consider products that are environmentally friendly. With the development of new materials, many disposable products are now totally composable and biodegradable as they are made from renewable resources. Here in this picture, you can see all glasses, plates, bags, spoon and fork. It is made from paper only, which is biodegradable and compostable. Renewable resources. Sugarcane fibers of cuts very similar to conventional paper products and used for bowls, plates and cups. Next one is clear polylactic acid, which is called as PLA also, from carbon stored in plants such as corn and used for cups, container and straws. Unsuitable for hot liquid but can be frozen it. Next one is the cornstarch cutlery, which is made from the starch based polymer and chalk. Bamboo were used to make plates, bowls, cups, and cutlery for reconstitute bamboo. Advantages of disposables. The first point is equipment and labor. Definitely, disposables reduce the need for washing up equipment, staff, and materials. Then the next very important point it is as hygiene. Usage improves the standard of hygiene in an establishment. Next is time. Definitely disposables may speed up the service, for example for fast food. Properties. Disposables have a good heat retention and insulation properties. Marketing. Disposable can be used as a promotional aid, definitely. Capital, which is usage reduce the amount of capital investment. Carriage, they are very easy to transport from one place to another place. And the last one is cost. Disposables may be cheaper than hiring conventional equipment. Disadvantages of disposables. Let us understand what is disadvantages of disposable. First one is acceptability. It is possible that customer acceptability may be poor. Next is the cost. Disposables can be more expensive than some of the conventional equipment. Then next comes storage. Backup quantities are required. Supply. There is a possibility of heavy reliance on supply and the delivery time. And last one is environment. Unless they are made from a renewable resources and are completely biodegradable, they have a negative impact on the environment. Quiz. Please like and subscribe the channel and also attempt the small quiz related to the topic though the link provided in the description of the YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any kind of queries or questions related with this video, please do contact with me. My email ID is given in the first slide. Thank you. Have a great time. Bye bye. Please find below mentioned references which is used in this slide for video. Thank you.